Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bevadi. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and safe at your home and taking proper diet. So beta, today let's start exercise 9.2. We have discussed 9.1 already. So in our class we will study about inverse variation. So if the two quantities x and y vary in such a manner that xy is constant and positive, then xy are said to be in inverse variation. Inverse variation means that x and y are the two variables and they are negatively related with each other. It means that if x increases, y decreases, and if x decreases, y increases. Fine. So in this exercise we will learn about inverse variation. So here you have to learn a relationship that x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2 is equal to x3 y3 is equal to x4 y4, etc. Okay, so this is constant. Fine. So let us use this thing in the exercise. So let us have a look at the question number 1 in exercise 9.2. Which of the following are in inverse variation with each other? A. The number of burgers which you can buy with 150 rupees and the cost. So definitely they are indirectly related with each other. Why? If the cost increases, you can purchase less number of burgers, and if the cost decreases, you will purchase more number of burgers with 150 rupees. B part. The time taken to finish a given work and the number of men. So you just look, if the number of men increases, the time taken to finish the work reduces, and if the number of men are reduces, time taken will increase. So they are also in inverse variation. C. The amount of petrol used and the distance travelled. If the distance increases, petrol consumption will also increases, and if the distance reduces, then the petrol consumption also reduces. So here there is a positive relationship. So C is not in inverse variation, they are in direct variation. D. The number of children in a birthday party and the amount of food consumed. If the number of children are more, the food consumed will be more, and if the number of children are less, the food consumed will be less. So they are in direct variation, not in inverse variation. Okay. Now E. Time taken to cover a given distance with variation speed of a vehicle. Means if vehicle speed increases, the time taken will be reduces. Speed increases, time reduces, and if speed decreases, time increases. So these are also in inverse variation. Now question number 2. In which of the given tables x and y are in inverse variation with each other? So let us discuss. Multiply x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 and x5 y5. Let us start doing multiplication. So 2 into 16 32, 4 into 8 32, 3 into 12 36, 8 into 4 32, 12 into 3 36. So you have seen that they are different. So no, they are not in inverse variation. In the next, 10 into 6 60, 15 into 4 60, 12 into 5 60, 30 into 2 60, 15 into 4 60. So the B part is in inverse variation. Fine. By using the same logic, you have to apply in question 3 also. You have to find the missing entries. So firstly name it. Okay. Firstly in this column fill in the blank. So you can take x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 x5 y5. Now you know very well x1 into y1. Fine. Then x2 into y2. So from here you will get the value of x2. Cut it. 5 3s are 15. So it is 14. So here you will write 14. Now in the similar manner you will find out x1 y1 is equal to x2 x3 y3. x1 is 45, y2 is y1 is 2, x3 is 10, y3 we don't know. So 45 into 2 is 90, then y3 you will get 90 upon 10. So y3 you will get 9. Okay, y3 you get 9. So in the similar manner you will find this value and this value also, and the question B also. Now question number 4. In question number 4, a hostel mess is a provision of 200 students for 30 days. So definitely you know that if students increase, the food will last for less number of days. Okay, so you will make a table, number of students firstly, and then number of days. Number of students are 200, number of students are 200, number of days are 30, number of students are 100 new joined. So now the students are 300. So how many days the food will last? Okay, so let it be y2. So you know the rule, x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. x1 is 200, y1 is 30, x2 is 300, y2 we don't know. So it is, now you can do the calculation, 200 into 30 upon 300 is equal to y2. So do the calculation. So 20 days. So the food will last for 20 days. So you have to use the simple logic beta in all the questions, that is x1 up y1 is equal to x2 y2. You can use in every question this logic. This is easy exercise. If Kinjal read 8 pages daily, she can finish a book in 15 days. Okay, and if she finished the book in 10 days, how many pages will she read? Okay, so here the number of pages she read, you will make a table, and here number of days she will finish the book. So if she want to finish the book in 10 days, definitely she has to study more number of pages every day. So x1 y1 x2 y2, 8 into 50 120, x2 into 10, means from here x2 is 12. So within 12 days she can finish the book. Now question number 6. 5 spraying machines working together can finish painting a house in 36 minutes. There are 5 spraying machines, and number of machines, how many machines are there? 5. So how much time they are taking? 36 minutes. If 2 machines break down, so now the machines left are 3, then how much time will it complete? So obvious, the machines are less. Now 2 machines fail, so x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. So multiply 5 into 36 upon 3. So cancel it, 12 5s are 60. So how many minutes will it take? Now 60 minutes. Now question number 7. Rahul and Chunky start together from Delhi to Shimla. Rahul drives at an average speed of 60 km. If the speed is 60 km per hour, the time is 9 hours. If the Chunky drives at an average speed of 54, how much time? Again you can use x1 y1 x2 y2. Question number 8. Reena has enough money to buy 10 kg of potatoes. What are the quantities? 10 kg. If the rate is 18 per kg, how many kilograms of potatoes she can buy if the price is 20? Again you can apply x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Question number 9. A batch of bottles were packed in 25 boxes with 12 bottles in each box. Okay, so how many boxes are there? If the box are 25, in each box there are 12 bottles. Fine. Now if the bottles are 20, then how many boxes are there? x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. And in the 10th question it is given that x is in inverse variation with y. X is given, y is given, find x. So you can calculate it easily in the question number 10 beta. X is given 4, Y is given 6. So find X when Y is equal to 12. So X1 Y1 is equal to X2 Y2. So 4 into 6. X2 we have to find. Now 4 6 are 24. X2 into 12. Okay, now X2 is 2. So in 10th question, the first item you will take X1 Y1 and the second you will take X2 Y2. I hope that you will complete this exercise and got this exercise. Thank you so much beta. God bless you all.